Plant operators know that mechanical, operational, and chemical changes can lead to inefficient heat exchanger performance, resulting in significant asset reliability challenges and increasing costs. Ecolab Heat Exchanger IQ is a series of digitally enabled processes that deliver real-time, secure, and comprehensive analytics focused on heat exchanger condition and performance. With insights and solutions that help predict and prevent operational problems, you shift from reactive to proactive so you can run your operations more efficiently and minimize operating costs. The program combines heat exchanger data analytics with 3D TRASAR insights, 24/7 monitoring, and on-site expertise, the critical human element to ensure reliable high performance. And the best digital solutions are the easiest to use. Ecolab Heat Exchanger IQ uses sophisticated predictive analytics and data modeling tools behind the scenes, but the user interface is clear and simple. This is what sets Nalco Water apart. For over 100 years, industrial businesses have depended on our investments to innovate technologies and on-site experts to help solve their biggest operational challenges and improve their profitability. Ecolab Heat Exchanger IQ helps predict heat exchanger performance, prevent performance issues, and optimize your total cost of operations. Contact Nalco Water today to get started improving the reliability and performance of heat exchangers in your operations.